Hey, guys, today, I'll show you how to fix professional mode, not showing on Facebook. So if you guys are wondering, why is this issue happening on your device? Well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to fix this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Facebook application, and once you're already here, the option for you guys to locate where the professional mode section is gonna be located right here on your profile, and then tab on your three dots right here. Now, as you can see, we have the option to turn off and turn on professional mode right here. Of course, it actually says to turn off my professional mode since I currently have it on. In this case, if you want to go ahead and see this option and you cannot see it on this section, you gotta go ahead and double check your internet connection with your Wi-Fi, because you might be experiencing some issues with this. One more thing that we could also try is our cell data, and basically, we need to go ahead and compare and try these two together and see which one between the two is going to work better for us. The last thing you could also do to solve this issue is to launch the App Store and basically go ahead and search for the Facebook application, looking for an update on the app. Doing this will basically give you latest features of the application, fix minor and major bugs as well, like this, and give you the best user experience possible. So my advice is, if you have an update available, go ahead and update your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.